In this video I'm going to show how I repaired a piece of furniture I made 38 years ago. Now back in 1985 I was commissioned by a Bristol patron to build what she thought might be her last piece of furniture from me, as I told her I was going to Australia and might very well emigrate. Her house was full of my chairs, tables, sculptural clocks and other pieces, and I was always given an open brief. On this occasion, she simply wanted a combined piece of furniture to be used as a filing cabinet for her husband and a desk for her. It is one of my rare veneered pieces, so the construction was a chipboard base with ash veneer, which I stained black, and I used elm veneer for the desk. I do recall using an impact adhesive for the top, unlike the rest of the construction where I used a PVA glue clamping the panels with backing boards. Now I'm not sure why I used an impact adhesive for the top, other than it was not possible to clamp the veneer in the same way I've done for the rest of the construction. Maybe it was because I could not find deep throat clamps, and indeed I cannot find them now. I managed to find some ash veneer recently given to me by one of my ex-Rykerwood College students, Martin Lane, an expert in veneer and inlay work. He features in my Encyclopedia of Woodworking Techniques. Now the choice of ash is mainly because it is flat and easy to lay, but had I used a PVA glue for the repair, my only clamping method was to use heavy weights, and the veneer would simply ripple under the backing board as the wood fibres swelled because of the wet glue. So I am faced with a challenge. So please watch the second episode to see how I complete the repair of this unique design, now in the ownership of the patron's son.